Go get me one. You still go to training for the Beretta?
My buddy has it.
Huh?
My buddy has it.
Holy fuck! Wow. Damn!
Did it burn you?
Yeah, it burnt the fuck out of my thumb.
That motherfucker. Redo it.
Go with like a It'll.
Oh yeah. That was good.
It'll.
That look. Oh yeah.
That one fucked tree. Yeah, that was big.
Yeah, you hit somebody head on.
Did you ever see that?
Hey?
Fucking jackass.
It went out on me. Boom! Alright guys. I couldn't get right on the end of it. Hello!
Did you ever watch that 1,000 Ways to Die? Yeah. I was watching it the other day, and these two kids were playing chicken with them. Playing chicken around the 80s.
Light it, Brad. Move.
Holy fuck! Wow. You alright, man?
Light it. Just hold it and I'll light it.
Fuck you.
Hold on here. I make sure my wick's up. Wait. Yeah. Okay. Light it. Oh, buddy. Hold on. Maybe I'm biting the wick with my teeth. Ready? Hold on. Okay. Fuck.
Right like the other one.
Yeah. Contact. Definitely going together.